10 years ago, few women get together in St. Louis, Missouri, in fact, in my house, and we decided that the time has come in to start educating and spreading the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the women of St. Louis to start with. And we had a goal that inshallah, by His will and by His grace, this will include women everywhere. A year later, Jannah Institute was born.
So what is Jannah Institute? It is a global effort to bring the light of sacred knowledge to the homes and hearts of Muslim women all over the world, whether it is through the Year of Knowledge program, through the Umrah tours, through the on-site programs, through the Tuesday night programs run by women for women.
The foundation of the study of Islam is the study of the Quran. Jannah Institute presents three essential aspects of Quranic studies: reciting the Quran in a proper and beautiful manner, exploring the linguistic beauty of the Quran, and learning to live the message of the Quran in our daily lives. The programs we offer stem from these three foundations.
And we had two departments. By 2020, these departments became very well established. We had Quranic Studies department and we have Islamic Studies. 2020, that's when this Islamic Study department becomes structured, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, walillahi alhamd, gifted us with a program called Year of Knowledge, what every Muslim woman should learn. Our goal, absolutely our dream, is to touch the hearts of all the Muslim women wherever they are, equip them. That's the most important thing. Is give them the strength and the ability to succeed both in this dunya and the hereafter. And this only comes through the study of the Quran and the Sunnah of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam.
عليكم أحيي بنايا